This is a wad of bone and hair that has been maybe puked up or crapped. But it's a nice little gift. One of the critters left us up here. Yummy. Somebody got eaten, and then somebody either got regurgitated or crapped. That's life on the mountain.
Today at Breakhart Orchard, we are drilling holes in the concrete floor and sinking anchor bolts in to mount the frame to the floor. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to learn how to use the drill, how to properly use it, and we'll talk about how it is that the anchor bolts grab hold of the cement and hold that frame tightly to it so it can't blow away.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't go through the wood well at all. It's the bit. Do you have a small broom?
Yeah.
Probably deep enough. So you take it, you stick it down inside, you gotta hammer it a little bit on this side.
Okay.
And then when you pull back, this hits this and expands.
Okay.
And it locks it in there. And you crank the bolt down on top of it, and that keeps it in place.
Okay.
So.
Do you need a hammer? Because you have some hammers.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do, I may have drilled deeper than I need to. And since that's probably the case, what I think I should do is put one of these nuts on here before I hammer it. Otherwise I might hammer it and have it disappear into the cement, and then it's worthless to us and we gotta drill another hole.
I'm sure those are cheap.
Doing it on the demo one isn't gonna, doing it on the one I was demoing for the camera isn't gonna do me much good over here.
And then you're going to screw it tighter?
Yep.
Do you need a wrench? Okay.
pulls it up, and that bell shape spreads that metal piece, and that metal piece has two hard little lumps of metal on it that lock against the cement hole.
Okay.
And once that happens, it ain't going nowhere.
So how many more of these we have to do?
More.
Okay.
For today, if we do
You want to
two
get
more
the
in
bigger,
here,
yeah.
one right there and one right there, this side will be good, and then we'll do that long plate over there.
Yeah. Maybe some on this one.
Yeah. Alright. The downside here is this drill bit is great on the cement, but it's almost worthless on the wood.
You want that close?
It'll be fine. It's more than it's 36 inches max. So that's about 20. That's a little over 24 inches. So it can't be more than 36 inches apart. Crappy.
Well, do you want a different drill for this?
Tell you what. Wrench. I'm thinking another one right here.
At first I was pushing down too hard with the drill. You have to hold the drill against the wood and against the cement, but you have to let it do its work. That's why you bought a hammer drill.
What's that?
Sharpen
You can sharpen it, yeah. But you throw away my drill doctor, so.
Dude, what?
I had a drill doctor. He didn't like it. It's 3 settings. You got your plain drill setting, your hammer drill setting, and then you got the jackhammer setting. You're gonna use the hammer drill setting. Right here. Stay right there with it. I'm going to brush this stuff away. I think you're plenty deep enough.
Okay.
because it'll fill the hole. All right, so turn this back to the regular drill setting. And that will help clear some of the stuff out of there. Yeah, you had it right the first time. Just hold on to the socket while you turn it. Hold the barrel until it gets tight. There you go. Now you can put your hand on the back of it if you need to brace it.
That's really odd. There we go. Okay.
Alright, that's good. Yeah. Go check the air pressure. So, I put 20 pounds of pressure in this line more than a week ago, and it has held. And it's still holding. Pretty good. I was pretty sure there wasn't a line there. I'm gonna drill it after you're done. I won't blow that dust in your face. Careful not to hit that pipe. This is a wad of bone and hair that has been maybe puked up or crapped. But it's a nice little gift. One of the critters left us up here. Yummy. Somebody got eaten, and then somebody either got regurgitated or crapped. That's life on the mountain. My wife thinks that might have been an owl, which is possible. It could have landed right here and then puked it back up.
Yeah, that was just hair and bone.
If anybody has any ideas, go ahead and comment about it, because we'd sure as heck like to know, because I have no idea. But when she swept it off, it was just hair and bone. Lovely. I'm gonna share with everybody my source of anxiety right now. I've got to drill some holes in this shear wall right here. So I'm reviewing the photographs that I took. Each square is 6 inches, and I'm looking at the position of that pipe, which is that waste pipe right there for the laundry machine. I'm calculating out where that wall is right there. That's that wall right over there. And then I'm looking at the position here of where I laid the pipe going in the hallway and then where I stopped and left it open. My real concern is that the PEX tubing that I ran in here for the first 2 runs of PEX tubing came straight this way. So, based on the photographs that I took and knowing what the size of the metal grid is and being able to reference that this bit of fabric right here is that one right there. Yeah, I know this is scientific stuff, guys. I've also taken a lot of time at home and looked at it on a 32-inch monitor so that I was quite certain of where I'm drawing it out and I'm sketching it out. I'm just giving you an idea of what it is I'm up against here. So, knowing how I did it, I am confident that I can drill in this one right here. I hit my head again. Jeez.
Well, can't we just move that board and put it back up?
Just give me a minute. Let me get this thing drilled and then we can knock that out and move it up. Real quick. .32, not 36, which means I got to double up some of these bolts. 32 inches on center max. The inspector. Yes, they inspect it.
Do you have inspections all along? Like, is it
Yes.
something that can-
Yes. I need to add 2.
Okay.
It's not bad. Better to figure it out now than to fail an inspection. Waste the guy's time. When they come up and you're not ready, they get a little crabby.
Watch your head! Watch your head! Oh my god! We're leaving it right now.
After hitting my head for the 4th time and putting the 2nd cut on the top of my head, I decided to move the bracing that was holding the 2 walls together.
Well, it's full dark now, so we're done. The reason we came up here is because we were gonna put the disc harrow on the tractor and put some seed in the ground. But we saw a pretty wicked storm moving in, the wind was blowing, and I started thinking about what would happen if the wind got hold of that framework and picked it up and threw it. It would really suck if it destroyed the framing, and it would suck even more if it got dragged across my waste plumbing and snapped it off right at the foundation. That would be a pretty sucky problem. So we decided to change gears, come on up here, drill the holes in the foundation and put in the 5/8 inch anchors, which is kind of cool because it seemed like it was a hurry, and being in a hurry kind of made it happen faster, and I didn't have time to have anxiety about it. So it's done, air pressure held, we're good. Yeah, good. So there's another storm rolling in, some lightning over there in the clouds, enjoying the light show. Time to go home. I almost forgot. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. See y'all next time, Break Hard Orchard.